I know. Long time no see. Please, please, please forgive me. It's been a lot. I hope all of you have been out there having a blessed life and living it to the fullest, okay? Living all of your entire best life. So today, if you can't tell, I'm coming to talk to you about something that has literally changed my life. And I just want to answer all the questions that I've been getting throughout the whole process. And yeah, here we go. You guys, I finally did it! I finally did it! I did it! Yes. After 5 years of contemplating, guys, and 18 plus years of poor vision, I finally did it, okay? Like, I still can't believe it. First and foremost, guys, I just have to tell you that the LasikPLUS staff at LasikPLUS Dallas was amazing. I literally have never met an entire staff that awesome before. They definitely won my best staff award, okay? Like, so serious. They were freaking amazing. They made the entire experience like there was nothing to it. Like, I was in there, safe in their hands, you know? That's how they made me feel. And all of, like, everybody that I came into contact with literally warmed my heart. Like, they were completely amazing. Like, y'all are awesome. Y'all were so awesome. They made me feel like, honestly, like we were gonna be friends after I left, okay? Like, they were, I don't know, they were just so friendly and just amazing. Everybody, y'all are the MVPs, okay? So the damper on my journey happened when I started telling people about what my plan was to do. Don't get me wrong, I found out which people matched my excitement and which didn't. And it was crazy to find out who was who. So when I was telling people about it, there were people that were like, oh yeah, cool, good luck. Then there were people that were like, what? Oh my gosh, yes, you have to get it done. I did too. Da, 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 da. Or these people were like, what? Oh my gosh, you're getting it? Oh, I've been contemplating on it. Oh man, tell me your experience. You know, how'd you find your doctor? Da, 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 da. Let me tell you the difference. These people had great vision, okay? They could see all their life. These people either match my vision or they have some kind of poor vision. So the difference between the two were these had no idea what it was even like to have poor vision and not be able to see. So they don't even know what it is to be excited about. You know what I mean? These people knew, like, oh man, like my life could be different by going to get LASIK because I'll be able to see the world. Like, that's how I felt. I cried, guys, okay? I was so excited, you know? And so that is the one thing that put a damper on my situation. One of the ways that I realized the difference between these two people is because my husband was kind of one of these people. He was one of these people in the beginning. Then he turned into one of these people because he realized, wow, I didn't even realize that those were things that were affected by you not being able to see all the, you know what I mean? And like, I was not mad at these people. It just made me realize, like, oh, I see the difference. I'm thankful for both people, okay? I'm thankful for both group of people. You know, it's crazy because for 18 plus years, like, I haven't been able to see my own face in the mirror without squinting or getting a mirror, you know, that's this close, or, you know, getting on my tippy toes to get to the mirror that close. I haven't been able to see me part my hair on the top, like, you know, because my glasses, you can only see so far up, you know? I haven't been able to see my kids' faces when they wake up in the morning and all their excitement. I can't see my husband's face in the morning, you know, when I roll over to him. All kind of things were affected. Shoot, I couldn't even see my body when I'm taking a shower. You know, like all kind of things were affected by me not being able to see all these years. And people that are in this group don't realize that, you know? And when my husband realized that for me telling him that, he was like, I understand this group of people now, you know? And so, I don't know, like that is what made my journey completely life-changing for me.
I understand that, absolutely. Any questions that you have for me so far, based on the video that you watched, based on anything the technician went over with you on?
Really, I don't want to be blind, and I don't want to be one of the people that are going to have issues after it's done.
Good news.
So,
guess what? We're on the same team. I don't want you to go blind. I don't want you to have issues either.
Right. You guys, I was freaking terrified, okay? Like, when I tell you terrified to the max, I was that person. I was terrified of getting this done. And my issue was I made the mistake of watching a YouTube video without actually talking to somebody in person about that video. So, of course, like, if you see the process get done, heck yeah, you're gonna be like, what? I'm not doing that. For me, that's how I was. I was scared of how the procedure went down, the pain of the procedure, somebody making a mistake, because I thought it was all hands-on for the doctor. I was like, what if this doctor didn't get enough sleep? Like, you know, like, And so, all kind of stuff was going through my head because I watched that video and didn't actually hear from somebody of their experience. So one day, literally, I woke up and I was so over my glasses. I was so tired of my glasses. And you know what? I was like, okay, bump this. Like, I'm tired of these glasses. Let me at least, and I think I had gotten an email, just so happened to have gotten an email saying, hey, free consultation. I was like, you know what? It won't hurt to go talk. You know, I haven't talked to anybody about it yet. I didn't even know anybody personally that had gotten it done. You know, so I hadn't ever talked to anybody. So I was like, yeah, let me make a consultation. The least I can do is that, you know? Then I scheduled my consultation. I went, and wham bam, I fell in love with the idea. Don't even get me wrong. I was still nervous because, hey, I mean, you know, your nerves. You're still nervous. So yeah, that's when my journey began. I'm trying so hard not to be nervous, but I am. But I don't know if it's like nervous, like bad nervous. Like I'm like anxious nervous. Like, okay, this is really about to freaking happen after all the years that I've been scared to even do it. This is really about to happen. And I don't know how I'm gonna feel after. So no, they didn't put you to sleep, and trust me, that was one of the things that held me back all these years. But I only assume that they don't put you to sleep because they need your cooperation as well, because you have to look at the light and keep your eyeball in one spot, and if you are put to sleep, your eyes are rolling, and who knows how your eyes are going to do. So yeah, no, they don't put you to sleep, which is perfectly fine. Before the procedure, this is the waiting room where they put the first set of numbing drops in my eyes. And then the doctor came in and he talked about what was going to happen and, you know, pretty much what I needed to do once I got under the laser. Next thing I knew, it was time for me to go in.
You got the shirt, you're ready. Let's go.
You're ready.
I'll take this.
She's going to be on that first procedure bed. That'll create the flap. You'll be able to video that monitor up over on that other side. Okay. She will then come over to this bed. This is going to be her treatment bed. And you'll be able to video right on that monitor.
Oh, really?
This is more the meat and potatoes
Okay.
of the meal, so to speak.
Sure.
That's eating a salad. There's not a lot to be impressed by over there.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Awesome.
Did you want me to take her purse too? Nobody else comes in here, just y'all.
Yes.
Just so you don't have to
Yeah.
be that guy.
Yeah. Carry the purse around. Yeah. Brings out my eyes.
Yes. And then whenever she comes to this one, I'll do the Facebook Live of this one.
Okay.
And I'll do her initials and today's date.
Okay.
So whenever she goes, because I'm sure y'all already like the page, did all that stuff, she'll be able to go tag herself.
Okay.
And y'all can share it, like it. I mean, do whatever y'all need to do.
Okay.
And
Cool.
then y'all will be good to go.
Good to go, huh?
Screen.
Are they cutting the flap open right now?
Not right now, no. There's a piece that they put on her eye to hold it open.
Oh, okay.
And to get it all nice and centered. And then now you're gonna see her eye up on that screen. They'll get it into focus. And then whenever you see the white come from the bottom up the screen, that's them making the flap. Sometimes there's a concentrated kind of white space at the bottom, and it's just air bubbles, so
Okay.
don't panic.
Like that?
Yeah,
So what are they doing? They're making
that's
the
them
flap?
making the flap right now.
What do you mean making the flap?
Like the laser's making the flap right now. So it's her
Cutting?
Yeah.
Cutting
so it's
the-
causing the separation of the cornea. So whenever
Oh,
they
so they're cutting her flap over and it's gonna fold it over right now.
right. So whenever they come to this one, they're gonna pull that flap down, and then the screen will go black. That's when the laser will happen. And then whenever they pop it up back up on this screen, they'll use a solution to push all that back, just get it all smoothed back out, and then he gives her first set of drops. But all that stuff will be on this screen that you'll actually be able to see.
Wow.
He's been doing this a long time. He's got that flow down.
Oh yeah. How many has he done?
54,000, 30,000 with LasikPLUS.
That's a lot.
Aw, you know I love you. Hello, Kate. Just Kate. Didn't you get one that actually says technician on there? Why don't you wear that one? I will. You just like, just Kate.
Oh God, that looks like it hurts.
Oh, no.
Well, I mean, not hurts,
I was like, no.
without the numbing gum. So.
Oh, well, yeah.
That is wicked, man.
See, you just,
That was done.
yeah, I'll just smooth it all out.
Wow. Wow. So how does that keep down? Just from suction or something?
Whenever they do the solution, it kind of acts like a pump to where it just automatically stays.
That's everything. That is crazy, man.
The anticipation of it all.
Right.
She doesn't need these anymore.
I know. I can print your shirt.
Don't sit there. Don't touch her over the eyes, okay?
Okay.
All right, congratulations. How do you feel?
Like I want to cry.
It's an amazing feeling.
It
Yeah,
is.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
And well, that's good. The procedure is all done with. All I'm gonna do here is just check a couple things, and then you'll be good to go.
Okay. Well, if it helps, I drove myself to my follow-up appointment the next day, okay? Recovery was like that. I was able to see as soon as I got up off the table, but it was fog. It was clear vision through a fog. And they tell you that that's perfectly normal. That's what to expect right after the procedure.
Alrighty. She's seeing 2020, 2020 in both eyes, 2015, that's better than 2020.
Whoop, whoop.
Yay! Day one.
Day one, right? It was really a joy to see my husband's face in awe, like after everything, happened, and to see his reaction of seeing me change my life. I hope the dots connect there to what I'm trying to say. But it was really awesome to see his reaction after everything. And then like days after, it happened, he's like, hey babe, so how you feeling now? How's it feel? Because when I would go drive somewhere or go do any, whatever I would go do, like, how's it feel? You can see now, how's it feel? What's going on? And that was pretty awesome. So you guys, my journey with LasikPLUS Dallas was something I will never forget and literally changed my life. I recommend anyone that is contemplating to get LASIK to do it. Go change your life. change your life. Do it. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you guys share this video with anybody that's contemplating getting LASIK. This really may help them make the decision to change their life. Okay?